Wow. Doon yuk. There's the sun. It's 5 a.m. We woke up this early to see the sea of clouds. But yeah, we're ready now. We're heading out.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat. What a bad day, man. It's about to rain.
A few minutes later.
We just arrived at our spot, and I'll be honest with you, I don't see any sign of the sea of clouds. It's fucking windy out here. It's about to rain and it's 6 a.m. I don't get to see the sunrise. The sun is already up. Holy hell. You see that? Wow. There's nothing. There's nothing. I have a camera.
Why you are holding a small camera?
It is because utan mungus. Look,
Why the camera so
Ay, ikaw, saan ikaw?
small?
I'm gonna fly this bad boy.
Bad boy?
Yes. No, manang, don't ali your utok. Mo ni ang videographer, guys. Dako rin siyang sweldo na kare. Oh, video na ako. Dako na siyang sweldo.
Study.
That makes me sad. Such a beautiful place will just end up as a trash. If you plan to visit some areas that nobody knows yet, you should not tell anybody. It should be best to keep it for yourself, for future generations to discover. Oh, Manang is still in here. What can you say about this place? Okay, good, Manang. Nice.
It's a secret place. Secret hideout.
Yes. We're home. Home sweet home. Puto na ma? Tanawa. Oh, tanawa na unsa na? Puto.
Ayun ay kapa! Tairas ka daw!
Oh no. Cake. Cake marama. Oh my gosh. I hate home. I hate home. There's not much to do in here. A lot of procrastinating. That's one big ass spider. It's eating something as well. God damn. Okay, what should I talk about? So yeah, this is where I leave my vlog. There's not a lot of things to do. So thank you guys for everybody for watching my vlog till now. And also leave a comment down below. I'm so happy for the 5,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. Thank you for the boys who's been watching me till now. And I'll catch you on my next trip.